Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how can you sort a Python dictionary by value. So normally we used to go with the value sorted on the basis of key, but in this video I will show you how can you perform sorting on the basis of value. So let's check it out how. So here I have already declared a dictionary named students, which is holding three key value pairs. Now I want to sort the students dictionary based on the value, which is the numeric field over here. So how we can do is, the first thing we need is we need to import a package name operator, and then we can say students. So either you can reuse the same dictionary name or you can create another variable to hold this result. And then we will say sorted function. So sorted function will take, if you will hover over it, you will get to know that you can pass in iterables. So here I am saying students dot items. So now IntelliSense are coming. So here you can see you can pass an iterable over here. So I am passing student comma items, and key is the parameter which says that on what basis you want to perform this sorting. So I want to perform this sorting on the basis of value. So here in item getter we will give the index of the value, which is 1. So if you are giving 0 here, it will sort based on the key, and if you are giving 1 here, it will sort based on the value. So let's go ahead and run this. Here you can see that Maddie is coming first, then Shweta, and then Andy, because Maddie is having the least mark. Then this is the one way. Another way to perform the same thing is using the lambda expression. So let's check it out how we can do that. So here again you need sorted function, where we need to pass in our dictionary, and for key, rather than using operator, we will be using lambda, and create some variable whatever you want. And herein you need to pass on behalf of what you want. So if you want sorting based on the key, then you pass in 0. If you want sorting based on the value, then you just pass in 1. So this is another way of performing the same thing, and both of these lines will give exactly the same result. So then it's no difference which one you want to go for. It's totally on individuals. So I hope you enjoy this trick, and thanks for watching.